Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to get a good eye look. Well, here we're actually trying to blend out our concealer which is used under the eyebrow. So now we have to blend it out, and to get that clean look that you're seeing, you have to use your foundation above the eyebrow to get it clean. And then now we went in with our primer, eyeshadow primer, so that whatever you put on there is going to stay on and not fall into the eyes. So we're actually trying to blend it out, blend it out to the places where you want to put your product. Now we actually went in with the orange eyeshadow. The key thing in getting a good look is to blend it out. You have to blend it out. Make sure you blend it out. If not, you're not going to get a good work. We did same for the eyes. Put a lot of product and blend it out. So we actually done that color. That's going with our deep brown to get the desired look for our bride. Yeah, she's a bride, a shy bride. And actually this is her first makeup, like professional makeup ever. I'm telling you the truth. First makeup. So we had to blend that out. As you can see how it's going, you blend it out. You see it came out pretty. Have to blend it out. Going in with our eyeliner. You line it. She said she wanted it simple. She doesn't want it much, so she got what she asked for. Happy bride. Oh, happy bride, shy bride. Trying to dust it off, just off her face with the powder. Dust it out. You just have to make sure everything is in order. That's me by the side. She was actually scared of the lashes. She said she didn't want lashes, but I had to encourage her so that her look would pop up. I had to use my hand to navigate her eyes. She has not had the false lash put on before, so I used my hand to get it up for her, so she put it up and down to the stage she wanted to. So as you guys can see, the eye work came out perfectly fine bride. You all can see how it is. This is the final look. Bye.